So let's see, in our previous video or lesson, we did the visualization chart, which is a line chart. But because of the outliers in our data, the data is not that comprehensible. So per the slides, we are advised to look at the option C, which is changing the unit of the x-axis. So let's proceed. Our x-axis is the national population expressed as POP_N. So we get into the data set to look for this data. This is our POP_N. And then let's try to round it up to 1,000,000. So let's see how we go about it. Let's look at our function reference. We are using the round up function. There it is. Good. Now we have to understand that these values of the national population share per country is expressed in thousands or estimated in thousands. So we need to multiply it by 1,000 in order for us to be able to have the actual value of the per country, actual population per country. Now, then we can divide this value by 1,000,000 or round it up to 1,000,000. So I'm putting 1,000,000 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. So we have it. Now I can close my bracket for the rounding up formula to work. Now let's see if it does work. Let's see. Super. So this is it. Now, so it's been done beautifully for us. There's a suggestion to autofill. So I'll take that suggestion. And then here we are. So it is done for us. Now, we can comfortably go to our visualization chart and then look at changing the x-axis to our newly rounded up figure. So I will go here, click on it, then I choose the select a data range. Now the option is given to me here. Now I will go to my data set. I go to my data set and then click under the new rounded up figures that I have. So the first one is in D2. I'll hold Control Shift and the down key. So if you are using Mac, it will be Command Shift and then the down key to reference all the data in that particular column. And then I press OK. Now when I press OK, we are having an issue here. Okay, so let's see. Then from there, okay, so let's look at it. So this is what it gives us. Now let's go to the slide and see what the slide says. So the slide is asking us to go to select aggregate for the x-axis and then average as the way to aggregate for both series. So we are going to select aggregate and average. Let's go to our data, our visualization. So here we have aggregate, and then here we are advised to choose average for both. Average here. All right, so here we are. We see that our data have changed. Now there's also an advice to use a rounded, smooth line chart. So I will choose that option as well, and you can see how this chart is now being represented. So the next thing to look at is how to change or to input your heading and so on and so forth. So we'll take care of that in our next video. So you look at it, I believe that the process is very clear and there is no issue whatsoever. So thank you so much.